Hi there everyone, welcome to Tech Cravers. In today's video we're taking a closer look at the device that I think that every tech enthusiast should have. If you're anything like me, and apart from having like 3 or 4 gadgets with you all the time that needs to be charged to function, you probably also have a bunch of power banks of different colors and capacities. But for me, that actually ends today. The Storm2 power bank from Shargeek not only looks freaking awesome in its clear shell where you can see all the internals, but also has an incredible feature that sets it apart from basically any other power bank out there. And that's a sleek looking LCD display which gives us a lot of information, and I will get back to that later. Also, the Storm2 has a battery capacity of 93.5 watts, meaning it's allowed to bring on a plane when traveling. It's not every day you unbox a power bank where the unboxing itself almost feels as if you were unboxing a premium smartphone or any other expensive gadget. Shargeek has given their Storm2 power bank a gorgeous retro-inspired yellow and black grayish design which looks so good that I don't even want to hide it on my desk. Now, should you want that anyway, we also get this neat carrying case that fits the theme as well. And we also get this yellow USB-C to USB-C cable to complete the look. The Storm2 power bank has a 100 watt in and out power delivery, meaning that it can both charge a device and be charged at 100 watts. That high output performance means that you can power basically any gadget you might have with you, like a phone, your headphones, a Steam Deck, or even a laptop. And with its ports you can charge up to 3 devices at once. And speaking of ports, we get 2 USB-C ports, whereas the main one to the left here is the in and out port, which has 100 watts in and out power delivery, and the second one to the right here does a 30 watt power delivery. The third port is a USB-A with up to 18 watts of power delivery. The last round port here to the left is a DC jack, which you can actually set the voltage from anywhere between 3 to 25 volts, giving a maximum of 75 watts. Basically confirming what I said before, that the list of devices that this power bank can charge is endless. The power bank also supports fast charging, and it can charge from 0 to full in 1.5 hours. It also has pass-through charging, meaning that if you charge this device and plug in another device in it, it will charge those devices as well. Now, with all those gadgets connected, I'm sure that one thing that you think of is safety. And the Storm2 actually has a built-in protection system which include overvoltage protection, short circuit protection, and extreme temperature protection. All this protection means that the device itself and all the devices you might be charging are kept safe. But what about that LCD display? Simply turn it on by pressing the yellow button, and there's actually quite a lot we can read from this display. In the top right corner here is a battery symbol indicating how much juice we have left in our power bank. And as it drops down, the color will change from green to yellow and then red, as you would expect. On the left we can see our in and out wattage, so it actually tells us what wattage we're using on the devices for both in and out. And on the right we also have temperatures and a clock or timer to see how long we have charged our devices. If we plug in a device, it will light up, and we can immediately see that the output is starting to draw power from the power bank. And we can also see that the voltage and milliamps change accordingly. And since I put my device in the main USB-C port, this little icon in the left corner also lets us know which port we're using. If you hold down the yellow button, it takes you to the options menu of this power bank. And to start, we have the DC output options. If you have an old device with maybe a maximum of 5 volts, you can just change that here. After that, we have the battery info, where you can get information on your power bank's capacity and more. Then we have temperature units, which lets you swap between Celsius or Fahrenheit. Next is a timer, which lets you set a timer for how long you want the power bank to charge your device. And lastly, we can change for how long the LCD should be on before going to sleep. We can also turn off our power bank and exit out of the menu. This beautiful little display is really handy and gives you a great amount of detail and information on this device. And that actually sums up my look on the Storm2 power bank from Shargeek. I definitely think you should look it up yourself if you're on the look for a great looking, compact and feature-packed power bank for all your gadgets. I love the LCD as it really adds to the overall experience, and I'm certain that this power bank will go with my everyday carry bag from now on. If you would like one for yourself, I will leave a non-affiliated link to Shargeek in the video description. If this video helped you out, or if you just found it interesting, feel free to give it a like or give me a comment. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.